In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to adjust your website so that you have a link to share. So the first thing you're going to do is log in to doTERRA.com. You're going to come up to the top right circle where it says account. You're going to click on account and you're going to head down into your account profile. In your account profile, you're going to scroll down until you see this section, My Website. So the first thing we're going to do is set your website address. So you'll simply come in here and then you can choose, this is called a slug or a path. So you can put your name in or whatever you would like. And then you can also add in some of your favorite links from doTERRA. You'll just say create a link. And then from here you can choose like a share and educate, existing member, or new member custom cart. Maybe you have a program that does custom carts, so you can do that right there. And see, this one's got the 90-day reset, so we're going to create a member link. For a wellness advocate, click next, and then we're going to generate that link. Then we come back over here and we'll just click add new link. We'll put in 90-day reset and then we'll pop that link. Oh, hold on. We're going to copy this link right here, come back over and just pop it in there. Save. So now you've got your custom links. You can also update your photo to make sure that that shows who you are, if you would like that, or if you would like it to be of like an oil bottle, put it right in there. Then create a short intro and save changes. Now your business site has been updated, and this is the link that you can share if you want them to go directly to your site.